Meaning of 8.
8.
8.
8.
8. 8 is a numerical digit that represents the quantity of 8 units. It is an even number and is located between 7 and 9 on the number line. In mathematics, it is used for various operations, such as multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In numerology, 8 is associated with power, abundance, and success. In religion, 8 is linked to rebirth, renewal, and regeneration. In popular culture, 8 appears in many contexts, such as sports jerseys, card games, and computer programming codes. Overall, 8 holds multiple meanings across different domains, but it generally represents a numeric value of 8.